Hello. Today I will give you detailed information about how to log in into Blackbaud system. Blackbaud is a comprehensive software platform developed especially for non-profit organizations, schools, and universities. It is used in many areas such as fundraising, financial management, student tracking, and volunteer coordination. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Now, let's talk about how to log into your Blackbaud account. First, open an internet browser and go to blackbaud.com. When you reach the home page, you will see a button that says Sign in the upper right corner of the home screen. Clicking here will direct you to the login screen. There are usually two options on the Blackbaud login screen. One is to log in directly with your Blackbaud account, and the other is to log in through corporate identity providers, for example, your school or the institution you work for. You will be asked for an email address and password. This information is the information you have previously registered with or given to you by your institution. After entering your information, you can log into your system by clicking the Sign In button. If you have forgotten your password, you can get a new password by clicking the Forgot Password option on the login screen. After logging in, you will be greeted by the user panel. This panel includes features such as event planning, donation history, contact information, student management, or financial reports. Which tools you will see depends on your account permissions.